This is the video tour for the 2016 Chevy Colorado. Extended cab, two-wheel drive, got the alloy wheels, new tires. Nice little truck. We'll do an exterior walk around here. Show you underneath too. Nice and clean. Fully serviced, freshly inspected. It's even got the remote start. Boom. You got your power windows, power mirrors here, power seats, power cloth seats. In the back, you got your two back seats right there. Hopping in here. Got your reverse backup camera right there. AM, FM, radio, XM. You got your YouTube, Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB. And you got sliding rear window with rear defrost. Nice little truck. Cruise control. It's available on our website, pinetreemotors.com. We have a variety of trucks, SUVs, utility vehicles, cars, vans, all that good stuff. So go check it out. Or you can give us a call at 717-738-2242. Other than that, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Adios.